What if I told you that you can build a complete WhatsApp chatbot with zero coding? Just drag, drop and done. Today I am going to show you exactly how to do that using Lion CRM chatbot flow builder. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you the most powerful feature of Lion CRM, the chatbot flow builder. This feature let you create automatic conversation flows for your WhatsApp business. No coding required, no API needed, just pure drag and drop magics. By the end of this video, you will able to build your own chatbot that welcomes customers, answer their questions and even moves them through your sales funnel. So let's get started. Here is the Lion CRM header. You will find chatbot flow builder. Click on this. Here is the powerful chatbot flow dashboard. Let's create new flow. Click on new flow. You will see a start node, and in the left side menu the trigger option is there, action block is there and some rules are there. Let's create our new chatbot flow. When someone message, if any message receive, so what reply to be go. So for that we first drag send list and connect this to start node, and in send list we will give option to select services. In option website design, option 2 SEO and Google Ads, and in third option WhatsApp CRM extension, and save it. Or here we can also write title, welcome to lots of code, and save it. And for each action, each option user choose, we will create an action block for this. So for website design, I drag simple text and write here, please check this page and the URL, and save it. Similarly for SEO and Google Ads, I will drag this syntax and here I will write please visit website, the website URL, and save it and connect to the, for website message I will connect this to this, and Google Ad is second, so I connect this second dot to this, and for WhatsApp CRM extension I will drag send list action block, and here WhatsApp CRM, and in option I will write our the extension name Tiger CRM, Cheetah CRM, and the most powerful Lion CRM, and save it and connect this to the third option. And if you want to delete this edge, simply you will go to the center and here you can see the delete connection, so click on this and delete, so it will be deleted. So I will connect this Okay, so this is done, and I simply rename this welcome message and enter. And this chatbot is inactive, so to run this chatbot I will active this. If you have to check the chatbot is working or not, you can check it here. Simulate flow, we'll type hype, then choose first option, website design. So it's working properly. Now I am sending this chatbot flow in real. In mobile I will send message hi. Let's see the chatbot is working or not. The auto boy reply, and I will select the option, the WhatsApp CRM extension. Message received. Let's see what reply the chatbot reply this. To choose from this, so I will select this option is there, so I will select line CRM. Okay, this properly working. Now we will add some rule, more action block, like if user select line CRM, then it will add to tab. So I will connect this to line CRM, third option, and I will select add to tab, and the tab is interested in line CRM, and I will save it. Let's check the chatbot flow will add the user in line CRM tab or not. So in mobile I will send message hi, the message issue and board reply. I will select WhatsApp CRM extension. Board give me option to choose. I will select line CRM, and here you will see there is no user in this tab. So when I will send yes line CRM, you can see the board add me to interested in line CRM tab. So the message trigger option is working. Now we test for the keyword. So the keyword is 12. When someone type 12, this chatbot flow work. Let's see. Now again I am sending 12. This is the keyword. The chatbot reply me. This will work. Give me option in line CRM. Okay. Let's check another trigger option. Similarly, you can run this chatbot for first message from the day of customer or first message ever you receive. Here is reactivation interval. Here you will reset the chatbot flow. Let's check the rules option. Now allow responding in group. You will on this when anyone reply in group, this chatbot flow reply work. Or allow response only on specific day or time. For example, today is Saturday, and if I off this, means chatbot will not reply on this day. We will check this. Will reply the keyword 12. Let's see the chatbot will reply or not. Okay, the chatbot is working. It will not reply because we on this option. We choose this option not reply on Saturday. So we off this, and there is another option, do not respond if the conversation is open. Okay, we can check this. We on this and go to conversation. If I type keyword, let's see it work or not. Okay, it not reply because we choose this option. And the next option is customize or disable the signature. If you have added the signature, you can customize here or disable the signature. Simulate typing or recording audio. If we on this, when the reply go to the user, then the typing indicator show. so the message not look like a robotic reply. So we will on this. Do not respond if the contact is in a CRM. If the contact is in any CRM, the chatbot will not reply to that user. Do not respond to CRM. When we on this and select this CRM, if any user come under this CRM, the chatbot not reply to them. Like here you will see the contact is in Lion CRM interested CRM. So we will check this. So I will write keyword. Okay, the chatbot will not reply to that user because we on this option. So we will off this. Response only to CRMs. So here we can select the CRM where the user is added. So we are done with CRM rule. Let's check label rules. Do not respond if the contact is labeled. The chatbot will not reply user which are saved to any labels. For example, like this contact is saved in this label. So if send reply text message, so it will not reply that user. You can see I send this message. So this is working. I off this, and for specific label, so I select this do not respond to label. So I will select the label like for Lion CRM interested. So if I select this label, the chatbot will not reply for that user. And here I can also set rule for respond only to the label. Respond only to the label. So I will select only respond to the label which are saved in Lion CRM interested. Okay, I will tick this. Let's check it work properly or not. This contact is saved in this label Lion CRM interested. So if I will send text message, the bot will be reply. You can see the reply sent. I will select website design. The bot send the reply. Okay, this is working properly. I will off this. The next rule is custom tab rule. If we select do not respond if the contact is in the custom tab, means if the user or contact is in any custom tab, so the bot will be not reply. And for second is we can here select the tab. If the user is in this tab, the bot will not be reply. Let's check this. So if this user save in this tab, so if I reply with my mobile the keyword, the bot will not reply because we enable this option. So we can close this and move to next option, respond only to the custom tab. So here I can choose only respond to the user which are fall in this tab interested in Lion CRM. So okay, let's check this message, the bot will reply or not. So I will text message. Now the bot will be reply because we choose to reply to that tab. Okay, the bot working fine. I will choose SEO and Google Ad. Okay, the board working properly. So I will show you all the options, action blow, all of this. You can also check this global setting and make this according to your preference. So today we properly set up our first chatbot flow. If you have to export it flow and import, you can also do that or share to someone. You can also take backup of this chatbot flow by exporting this, or you can share to anyone. Like if I export this chatbot, select this export, so it will be download in my folder. Now I will delete this. So there is no chatbot flow. So if I import this chatbot flow, the data will be work. So you can see my chatbot is recover. Or here is also one option, add category. You can add category for your chatbot flow to filter it out easily. Like for this I will select first welcome message. Message to welcome message and save this category. The category is created. And if I have to move this chatbot flow to this, so I can drag and drop it here. So you can see this added to this category. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, comment below. I will reply to every single message. See you in the next video.